Welcome back, first-timers. If this is your first time here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
And we're the first-timers. We're trying things for the first time, so you don't have to.
In our last episode, we did a walking tour of downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida,
where we tried out filming in public for the first time in preparation for today's video. Today we're traveling to Pensacola, Florida to watch a minor league hockey game. It's our first time going to a hockey game and we know nothing about hockey.
So you might be wondering how we got scammed on our tickets. Well, we'll cover that more later in the video. Unfortunately, we're not able to bring our normal camera into the arena. We're going to be shooting the rest of this video with our GoPro Hero 11.
We're going to see the Pensacola Ice Flyers, and tonight they have a theme night, and I love a good theme. Tonight's theme is Mardi Gras, and I'm ready to go. Okay, Noodles, we're going to the hockey game. You're in charge. We had to make a quick stop at Best Buy to get a microphone for our GoPro.
Comment in the comments below to let us know if the sound on the GoPro gets any better after this scene.
We made it to the event center and now we're about to walk over. We just parked. It's $10 for parking across the street. Right in front of the center, it's $12 parking, but it is cash only at both lots.
Well, we said we'd tell you why we thought we got scammed on the tickets, and I think it's about time, right?
Yeah, I think so.
We were excited about coming to the game, went online and thought I'd just buy some tickets through the website. I'm not good at buying things online. I thought I was buying the tickets through the official team website, but it turned out that it was a website that was made to look like the official team website, but it was actually a third-party site. When I saw the price of the tickets, we almost didn't come because they were more expensive than we thought they should be for minor league hockey. We ended up buying the tickets anyway. As soon as I finalized the order, I got a notification that it was a third-party site. The price that I paid might not be reflected on the ticket face value. We ended up paying about 3 times the cost. It's with fees and hiked up price for the tickets. But we're here now and we hope to have a good time. At least use it as a cautionary tale when you're buying your tickets. Take a little bit more time than I did and make sure that you're buying it through a reputable site. I was a little nervous actually that we weren't even gonna get the tickets. We got here about
10 minutes ago?
10 minutes ago, and the tickets finally transferred. So we have the tickets, we're at the arena, and we're gonna try and ignore the fact that we paid 3 times the amount for the tickets. So I guess we're gonna try and have 3 times the amount of fun.
Oh yeah.
And enjoy ourselves.
We'll see you inside.
All right, we made it inside. We got some snacks. There isn't a lot of food options. There's typical, you know, high-priced food, but we're gonna snack on a chicken wrap and pretzels, and we got some popcorn.
It's a pretty small arena.
And bring a jacket.
It's very cold.
It's very chilly. There's 3 20-minute periods. In between each period, there's an intermission.
And apparently there's going to be a parade during this intermission.
We also thought we were looking at the mascot for the entire first period. Turns out that it was just a guy dressed up like a different mascot. So that was fun. Sky, I caught that ball, got a handful of beads, and Terry took
a little pie to the face.
All right, we're going into the second intermission. Some key things that we would have you look out for is know the rules before you get here.
Yeah.
There's something called offsides, something called icing. Looks like 5 players on each side, plus the goalie, so 6 total. There's penalties, there's fighting, there's all kinds of things. So
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm...
first time meeting a moon pie. I don't know what to say, or if I like it. It's an odd texture. It's pillowy, it's chocolatey, it's kind of yellow cakey. Let us know if you like moon pies. First hockey game in the books. I'd have to say the best way to describe it would be watching a bunch of ice ballerinas that fight surrounded by a carnival with a concert going on in the background. Oh, one thing to know before you come here, there's a special dance that you have to do every time they score a goal. And we don't know the name of it, but it's a lot like you're churning butter. Tandem butter churning.
Like you're the kid from Home Alone making the mannequin dance.
Or like an uncoordinated skier going down the mountain.
Could be.
Maybe.
I love the chase and the hunt.
It was a good time. It was a lot of fun. I'd go again.
I definitely would go again. But the real question is, would I spend triple the ticket value price again? I probably would, actually. So if you have an opportunity to go to really probably any minor league hockey game, I definitely would. Especially if you get them for the actual price. It was fun, it was lively, there were fights. The food, not so great, but...
I don't think you go to the games for the food.
But we got moon pies to her face. We got beads, we got balls. Well, anyway.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below letting us know what you'd like to see us try for the first time. First timers.
High five.